Hi all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Monish and we live in Melbourne. Today we are staying at the Crown Metropol for a couple of nights, and because we are parents to a beautiful little boy, our day starts with manual labor, as moving a baby is similar to the logistics of moving an international cricket team on tour. So come join us on our 2-day staycation vlog. So what are the chances you think Prerna will get a coffee?
100%.
100%. She just stopped to get a croissant. And she said it's for Zayn. Not for her, for Zayn. But let's see. How much time you spend on your phone? What's your screen time?
Okay. You're recording.
Just there.
Coming with coffee and croissants.
Oh, there she is.
Mama's
There she is. Zayn had a bit of a nap in the car, so we aimlessly drove around. #parenting. Finally made it to the hotel, and it took a bit longer to check in as we were trying to get 2 rooms together. Zayn, however, did not seem to mind it.
Hi.
Zayni. We then headed for lunch as the rooms were still not ready and the venue was Mantong, and Zayn again patiently waited for his mama and Nani. Can you see mama and Nani? Can you see them? Yes. Yes. Hey, hey, flying kiss. Flying kiss. After Zayn finished his lunch, I walked around with him for a bit, just so that the others could have their lunch peacefully. Where you want to go? Where? Where there? Where there? Where? There. There. The nightclubs are there. It's a nightclub. You want to go to nightclub? Or you want to go there? Village Cinemas. You want to go there? Village Cinemas? You want to go to nightclub? Where you want to go? Where? There? There? Nightclubs? Yeah. Nightclubs. Already nightclubs. We finally got one of our rooms and Prerna did what she does best. We then decided to chill out for a bit because we were still waiting for one more room. Zayn also had a little message for all of y'all. Like and subscribe and share the video. Tell them, Zaini, in the camera. Yes, like and subscribe and share. Yes, yes. He loves to be out. Anywhere out?
Yeah.
He's like this at home? No,
Yeah,
right?
no, why I was telling her?
Absolutely not. We finally got our rooms and it was absolutely magnificent. I'll leave you with this little room tour. We then headed out to what I feel is the best pool in Melbourne, and if you've seen any of our previous vlogs, you know Zayn really enjoys the pool, and hence we just keep doing it over and over again. It was then time for dinner and we headed to our favorite steak restaurant, Rockpool. This was our first dinner since September, and even though we were really tired, we did really enjoy it. After dinner, we grabbed some dessert and headed back to the room to admire the beautiful Melbourne skyline. It was an early start of the day, and like us, Zain was loving the view. Today is my mother-in-law's birthday, and this staycation was her idea and her treat, and for that we are very grateful. She, however, was having a sleep in, and after some parent duties, it was time to wake her up and wish her happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nani! So nice. Come. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. What happened? Thank you. You always took him first. Group hug. Yeah, I slept okay. What about y'all? What about him?
He slept well.
He slept well. After that?
10 o'clock.
After 10. Good boy. He knew mommy and daddy are not there.
Oh. He's got a really bad block nose.
He has?
We then headed down for a short walk with Zain.
So we're currently walking Zain on South Bank. It's been 16 years, almost to the day, 7th of Feb 2007 is when I left India. Here we are, 2023. I remember coming here for the first time. The skyline looked a lot different back then. The only joy I got was to see these tall buildings, because we never really got to see them in India. And all I wanted to do back then was work in one of these tall buildings. And all the big four accounting firms are here. I once interviewed for Pricewaterhouse just after my graduation. Obviously got knocked back, and in hindsight that was the best thing that actually never happened to me, because my life today, when I see people going to work, rushing to work in the morning, I just realized how much that was not for me. I would not get these moments with Zain, I would not get to spend time with him, I would not get to do so many things that I actually really like. So yeah, that's a little story of Melbourne. Always a special place. And also the place that we are staying at, Crown, I used to work there, do the night shift. My job was when people are gambling, all I had to do was make drinks for them and serve them. I worked in a VIP room, so all the drinks were free. So I just went out, got the orders, made the drinks and served them. I did that from 11 at night to 7 in the morning. And it's just like a full circle moment. We've stayed so many times now at Crown. And at the time, it seemed that I will never ever be able to live in or stay in Crown. But here we are, just a lesson from that. You know, just never give up. Things have a funny way of working out, where today you just come and you're like, yeah, I can afford this. And more importantly, you just know to be happy where you are, because you could be in one of those rooms and be unhappy. But whenever I feel a bit of discomfort, I go straight back to the boy who used to work 11 to 7 at night. Think about that boy and how happy that boy would be if he had just got to stay in the room for even a few hours. So yeah, that's my little story of Melbourne. Hope you enjoyed it.
We then headed for breakfast, which was absolutely sensational. The best hotel breakfast I have ever had, and I can't believe that we've stayed here so many times and never done this before.
Okay, we are off to the pool. It's pretty repetitive, I know, but that's what happens when you're with a baby. You have to do the same thing over and over and over again. But it's fun. We do really enjoy. Look at him. He's so happy. So we have fun. Where are you going? Where are you going? Uh-oh. Come on. Go on. Hey, yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Zain discovered water falling off the infinity pool and there was not much swimming after that. And then we just spent the next 15 minutes splashing the water.
I can feel his heart rate go so fast.
We did try taking him away, but obviously didn't work. I spent the rest of the day working because I had too much on, and I was also at a point where I knew I was going to fall sick. Zain was going to fall sick too, and let's just say it wasn't the most pleasant moment. But on the upside, lunch was here. And we had some nasi goreng, butter chicken and wonton soup.
Zain's enjoying his butter chicken. Hey Zaini. Hi.
Hope you're enjoying the background music though, very trendy.
Uh-oh. Now throw that.
Pani choro.
Throw that.
Give me the exciting things.
So verdict is out. Best butter chicken in Melbourne.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Come to Crown.
Usha, you liked your food?
Very nice.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Nasi goreng
Yes, yes.
and butter chicken.
Very good.
Multicultural you are. Indonesian food and Indian food.
This is Indonesian, by the way.
Yeah. Not Thai. Zaini looks like he's falling sick. I'm falling sick.
I'll finish the raita. You want? You can't eat the raita.
You want the raita, that's why I'm telling you don't eat.
No, you have a bad throat.
No, I have. It's okay.
I tried to take 30 minutes rest, but to a child, nothing is more unacceptable than a parent trying to rest, especially if they're sick. Zain was sick too, but that didn't seem to stop him.
Finish? Finish? Can I have tea now? Zaini, what you doing? Something fascinating Zain did figure out is that the tea bag goes in the cup.
We scoured it out of the trash.
It was then bedtime for Zain, and as he was sick, it was a bit of a rough night.
Good night, me. Spot says good night to himself, and Ginger, Teddy, and Spot go to sleep. Good night.
The next day, we had breakfast, said bye and thank you to the room like we always do, and left.
Bye. Bye, cars. Bye, tram. Bye, train.
So had a good time. Thank you, room. Bye bye.
Thank you. Blankets. So sweet.
Yay! That's about it for the vlog, guys. Me and Zain, we've got a bit sick, got a bit of cold. It's been a hard vlog to shoot this. I hope you enjoyed it. We've done our best. And before I end, I must say a big happy birthday to my mother-in-law. She has been someone I've really gotten along with. I'm very grateful for the relationship we share and really enjoy time with her. Also, this little break was her treat. She said it's her birthday treat. So thank you so much for that. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Wish me and Zain weren't sick, but it's a part of it. Still very grateful to be here. Still very grateful that this happened and very grateful to her as well. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate your time and see you in the next vlog.